Hello everyone, welcome to the 8th chapter of WPS Word. In this section, we are going to learn how to insert pictures. Adding pictures to your document can be a great way to illustrate important information to the test. Used in moderation, pictures can improve the overall appearance of your document. First, place the insertion point where you want the image to appear. Select the Insert tab on the ribbon. Then click the Pictures command. The Insert Picture dialog box will appear. You can see there are three options, from File, Scanner, Picture to Test. Navigate to the folder where your image is located, then select the image and click Insert. The image will appear in the document. To resize an image, click and drag one of the corner sizing handles. The image will change size while keeping the same proportions. If you want to stretch it horizontally or vertically, you can use the side sizing handles. In order to wrap text around the image, select the image you want to wrap text around. The Pictures tool tab will appear on the right side of the ribbon. Then select the desired picture text wrapping option. In our example, we'll select in front of text so we can freely move it without affecting the text. Or you can select more layout options to fine-tune the layout. The text will wrap around the image. You can now move the image if you want. Just click and drag it to the desired location. This is the end of this section. Thank you.